you? How are you, team? How are you doing? I trust you are all doing well. I trust you are all doing well. So, okay, a lot of people they want to know what is going on with BTC at this current moment. Can we expect the beginning of an uptrend? What to expect in BTC? Okay, so we start by going to the weekly time frame. So I'll cancel this. I'll cancel this. Right. So we'll start by going to the weekly time frame. That's where we want to see how has BTC been performing throughout this year, right? How has BTC been performing throughout this year? So what we can see here is BTC. It has been what? It has been trending down, right? It has been trending down. Okay, from the first week of January, which was around uh, around around 3 January. So we've been trending down, right? We've been trending down. BTC, it has been trending down, right? So long term BTC, it is what? It is in a downtrend, right? It has been trending down. It has been trending down, and we had what? We had this breakout structure around this area. Right, we have this breakout structure here. Okay, we have the breakout structure here around this level. So you can see that BTC it is somehow in a downtrend, right? It is in a downtrend. We had this breakout structure. We are looking for a retest. Right? We are looking for a retest back to these levels. Then it continues going down. That's what we've been expecting on BTC. That's what we've been expecting on BTC. And you also have this zone area, right? We have this zone area. We have this zone area that we might also be looking for something new around this area, right? We have this support area, whatever you can call it, right? We have this support area around this level. So we have this support area here. So around these areas, we might expect what? That is where we expect BTC to at least touch one of the points around this area, right? That's what we've been expecting. That's what we've been looking for, right? For BTC to come back around this area, and it looks like it has found something like sort of a good support around these areas. So it has found the support around these areas. So until we break this this level here, you can call it a swing high, whatever you can call it. So until we break and hold above this area, BTC is still in a downtrend, right? BTC is still in a downtrend. We're still looking for what? For short entries, right? We are not shaken by just one day bullish pump. We shouldn't be shaken by that, right? We know that we're waiting for this coin to break this level, right? So whatever week that we will have when BTC breaks this level, that will be our most valuable week, right? So for now, on the weekly time frame, this is what we are looking for. So let us go to a daily time frame to see what is happening there. Okay, and now we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see right that okay, we have something like if you can draw a trend line here, you can see that this coin, we are still trending down, guys. It is just a what? It is just an impulsive move or an uptrend towards what? Towards your zone area, right? Your trend line, right? So your coin is just pumping towards your trend line, right? So we can go draw it like this. right? So this coin is just it is just trading towards your trend line. So you must not be shaken when the coin is like this, right? You must not be shaken when your coin is like this. We can even draw a what we can even draw a support trend line. You can even draw a support trend line with something like this, right? So until we break these areas, right, there's nothing much we can say about BTC, right? Because we might say something like this, right? Because a lot of people, they are now shaken. Hey, BTC is going up. Are we missing out the whole move, right? So we can see something like this. Then BTC it continues. Maybe it comes back to this area or and break, right? So because this is where we are looking to buy, right? This is where we've placed our buy orders. This is where we've placed our buy orders. But also, just in case this doesn't happen, right? Just in case this doesn't happen, what can we look for, right? Even if it doesn't happen, right, we must not be shaken that we want to chase this impulsive move. It is just a bullish daily candlestick. It must not be shaken, even if it breaks this level, right? Even if it breaks our trend line, we'll expect something like a retest in lower time frames before it starts shooting up, right? So we will be expecting something like this, right? So we are not shaken, right? We are not shaken. We are not shaken by the impulsive move of BTC. We are not shaken. We are just we've been expecting it. We want to see how it plays out. So we've been expecting it, right? We've been expecting it. So this is what we are looking for on the daily time frame. So today we are analyzing using trend lines, because we had the lesson based on trend lines. So I'll end here on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this coin is trading towards this area, and we know that this zone around here, right, this area around here, although I might not be that much specific, so this area around here, right, this is our area of what of supply, right, of strong supply, meaning what, around this area, right, we might look for selling opportunities. So you can see how this coin has been respecting this area. So we might be looking for selling opportunities around this area. Yes, today we were bullish. You can take a buy signal. You can see we are bullish, right? We have these swing highs, these short-term swing highs. We had these short-term swing highs. So yes, we are in an uptrend, right? We are bullish in terms of scalping BTC. Yes, we are bullish in terms of scalping BTC. You can see this formation of lower highs. You can see this formation of lower highs. Then these confirm that okay, we are some sort of in an uptrend. Today we are trending up. BTC is trending up, right? So yes, we are expecting this coin to go up. It can either respect this zone area here again, because also here we have the strong drop in price around this area, so it also respect this area. So this area we also mark it, right? We cannot leave it for granted like that. So we also mark this area that okay, it might also respect this area, right? It might respect this area. So our eyes are glued also on this area, right? On this area. So is BTC in an uptrend long term? Not yet. Not yet, until we have a breakout. So any trade that we'll be taking based on BTC, we are just trading within this trend line, right? We are trending within this trend line, right? And it hasn't came back yet to catch liquidity in the around this area, right? Because we are expecting this coin minimum maybe to come around these areas, right? That's what we've been looking for. But also we have in mind that the market, it always moves right? It is not that much predictable. We don't control the market, but we are expecting this coin to actually come back to this area. That means when it comes when this coin reaches our around what maybe this is what around 42k and 44 or 45k, that is where we're looking for what, for short signals. So we will short until we come back to what, to 35k. So that is what we're looking for right now. We are longing what BTC, we're longing BTC, and our target profit is somewhere around what somewhere around 41,500, somewhere around there. So those are our target profits for now. So yes guys, thank you so much. Have a great day, have a profitable day. I trust you are all profitable today. Thank you.